Have you ever wondered what actually connects every single part inside your computer? CPU, GPU, RAM, storage? All of them need to communicate with each other constantly, but none of them can talk directly. So how does your computer actually work as one system? The answer is a component that most people completely ignore: the motherboard. And today we're going to look at the different types of motherboards, how they are different, and which one is used for different kinds of PCs. The motherboard is one of the most important parts of any computer because it connects every major component in the system. Your CPU is installed into the CPU socket on the motherboard. Your RAM goes into the memory slots. Your graphics card connects through a PCI Express slot. Storage devices connect through SATA ports or NVMe slots. Without a motherboard, none of these parts could communicate with each other. But here's the interesting part: not every motherboard is built the same. They actually come in different sizes and designs, which are called form factors, and these different types can completely change what kind of PC you can build. The three most common motherboard form factors are ATX, Micro-ATX, and Mini-ITX. ATX is the standard full-size motherboard. It is the most common type used in gaming PCs and high-performance desktop systems. Because ATX boards are larger, they usually have more expansion slots, more connectors, and better support for cooling. This means you can install multiple expansion cards, more storage devices, and sometimes even more powerful cooling solutions. For people building a powerful gaming PC or a workstation, ATX motherboards are often the best option because they provide the most flexibility and upgrade potential. The second type is Micro-ATX. As the name suggests, it is a smaller version of ATX. Micro-ATX boards usually have fewer PCIe slots and sometimes fewer RAM slots, but they still support most of the features that average users need. Because they are smaller and cheaper to manufacture, they are very popular in budget and mid-range computers. Many pre-built PCs and office computers use Micro-ATX motherboards because they offer a good balance between size, cost, and functionality. The third common type is Mini-ITX. This is the smallest of the three motherboard types. Mini-ITX boards are designed for small form factor computers, where saving space is very important. These motherboards usually have only one PCIe slot and two RAM slots, but they can still support powerful CPUs and GPUs. Mini-ITX systems are popular among people who want compact gaming PCs, portable builds, or very clean minimalist setups. So the main difference between these motherboard types comes down to three things: size, expansion capability, and the type of system they are designed for. ATX offers the most space and upgrade options. Micro-ATX provides a balanced middle ground. And Mini-ITX focuses on compact and space-efficient builds. Understanding these motherboard types can help you choose the right foundation when building or upgrading a PC. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to make more videos like this. And if you're interested in learning more about PC hardware and how different components affect performance, make sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.